Hi again, everybody. It is Monday morning, January 30th, 2023. Remember, we're looking at the possibility of a turn date today. We have so far price action tracking downward overnight. It's possible the high had come in Friday. We have downward pressure on the Astro Excel. You can see as we came into the Globex Open last night, the green line here was relatively flat and then turning down. The market has been trading down overnight. The pattern last week was for the most part inverted, so we'll see what happens. Right now it seems on track. We're going down into the 31st. The general pattern of the green line, you see the green line makes these up and down spikes. But I'm going to draw this red trend line on the general up and down movement. So we're down into the first. We make this bottom for the week here around 4 a.m. Then we're going to move upward and then flatten out. The center of that area is about 9 a.m. And then we've got downward pressure until about 8 p.m. in the evening. And then we're up as we move into the second. We kind of peak out there and flatline from just after midnight to 5 a.m. Then it's back down where it bottoms at about 10:30 a.m. on the second. We push back up till we peak here at about 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Then we're down to about 2200, and then we're pushing back up as we move into the third, pushing up until 3:30 a.m. Then we're down for a couple hours till 6 or 6:30. Then upward pressure into late in the day, Friday, about 3:40. Then it drops off rapidly right there. So that's the general pattern on the green line. We've got some spikes outside the 10 lines just after midnight tonight, the early AM of the 31st. We've got a spike bottom about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning at 22:30 tomorrow night, and then that again until the second, where we have a 4 a.m. low and an 8:30 a.m. spike high. So that's the Astro Excel forecast for the week. We'll see what happens. Tomorrow we'll come back and take a look at market structure on the bigger picture.